In this video, I am going to teach you how to take attendance in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're a teacher or a team leader, tracking who joined your meeting is easy. Let's get started. First, go to the Teams application and join or create a meeting. You can do this from the Calendar tab or directly from a team channel. Then, click on the People tab at the top of the meeting window. This shows you the list of participants currently in the meeting. Next, look for a download icon in the upper right corner and click it. This allows you to export the attendance report. After that, open the downloaded file from your device. It will show the names, join times, and leave times of each attendee. Bonus tip, you can also access attendance reports after the meeting by going to the calendar event and checking the attendance tab under meeting details. And that's how simple it is to take attendance in Microsoft Teams. Don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more helpful tutorials just like this.
See you next time!